Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to sell t-shirts on Teespring for free. In this video, I'll show you how to create and list t-shirts with zero upfront costs using Canva to make amazing designs. Teespring is a platform where you can create and sell custom products like t-shirts, hoodies, and more. The best part, there are no upfront costs or inventory needed. Teespring handles everything from printing to shipping, and you earn a profit on each sale. First, go to teespring.com and sign up for a free account. All you need is an email address and you're ready to get started. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard, where you can start creating products by clicking on Create Product. Now, let's create a t-shirt design using Canva. First, go to canva.com and log in, or create a free account if you don't have one. In the search bar, type T-shirt to browse ready-made templates. Choose one you like, or start from scratch if you prefer. Customize your design by adding text, images, or graphics. Once you're satisfied, download it as a PNG file with a transparent background. Once your design is ready, head back to Teespring and select T-shirt from the product options. Upload your design by clicking on Add Image and selecting the PNG file. You can adjust the size and position of the design as needed. Select up to 5 backgrounds for your product to customize how it appears in the store. Next, set the price for your t-shirt. You can choose how much profit you want to make on each sale. For example, if you price your t-shirt at $25, you'll make a profit of $7.26 for each sale. Additionally, choose either the front view or back view and display the color from your selected options. Select the products you want to print it on, such as t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, or stickers. Create a catchy title and write a description for your design to help potential buyers understand its theme. Teespring allows you to edit the URL handle for your listing to make it memorable. You can set the visibility to public or private. Additionally, you can name your store. Finally, click Launch Listing to make your product live. Teespring will generate a unique URL that you can share on social media, blogs, or YouTube to promote your store and drive sales. That's it! You've now learned how to create and sell t-shirts on Teespring for free. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making money online.